Ready to turn your online presence into some money? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the smartest ways that you can be making money with affiliate marketing. And even if you don't have a strong online presence, that is totally okay, because I'm going to be jumping into the best social media platforms for affiliate marketing that you don't even have to show your face with, which is great because I know not everybody wants to be showing their face online, or they're just not comfortable showing their face online. And affiliate marketing can sometimes even have the potential to turn from a side hustle to a lucrative income stream that can bring some financial freedom. And affiliate marketing is a passive income stream, meaning you don't have to actively work, which in simpler terms, it can mean you can make money from the beach, or you can make money shopping, or you can make money from even sleeping. But oh my goodness, this sounds too good to be true. So let's talk about what exactly is affiliate marketing and how can it bring us this financial freedom. Well, affiliate marketing, in a bit of a fun definition, let's paint a picture here. You are a matchmaker in the digital world, and what your goal is as a matchmaker is you're going to be wanting to match people to different products that they'll love. For example, if you saw me, you might be thinking, well, she looks like the type of person that would buy some jewelry online because look, I'm wearing earrings. So what you do here is share different products to the world, to an audience that you think will buy this product. And then every time somebody buys a product from your recommendation, you get paid. So as you can see, it's a very, very simple way to be making money online. And another plus is you don't have to deal with any of that boring stuff, such as an inventory and packaging items and shipping them out, because if you were selling these items from your own inventory, you'd have to be doing all of that boring stuff. But with affiliate marketing, all you have to do is make recommendations to different products. And it's sort of a win-win situation because these companies that are shipping out these products, they're getting promotion. And then you are making money from these promotions. Now, choosing the right niche is going to be essential when it comes to affiliate marketing. And it's going to be essential because it is basically going to set the foundation for success. We need to have a good foundation in order to have a strong home, right? Now, we're about to dive into affiliate marketing, so get ready, let's put our seatbelts on. I don't know what this is. Let's put our seatbelts on and let's just do it, you guys. But before we drive down the road, there is going to be two different paths that you can take. And the first path that you can take is going to be affiliate marketing with physical products, meaning you could promote this water, or you could promote these earrings that I'm wearing, or you could promote these sunglasses that I have. So before we jump into the second path that you can take with affiliate marketing, let's talk a little bit more about affiliate marketing with physical products. And I want to start off by talking about the best niches for physical products. And the first niche is going to be a technology niche. Now this could be anything like a phone, or it could be a computer, or it could be any sort of technology gadgets, or a TV, or a drone even. And then the next niche is going to be a health and fitness niche. Now this is where you could promote products such as weights that you can lift, or a yoga mat, or different supplements. The next niche that I have is kind of two separate ones, but they're kind of in the same category, which is going to be beauty and fashion. And that is going to cover anything like clothing or accessories, or another very, very popular one right now is going to be skincare or makeup. Or even another one that is super popular is hair care products. And then the last niche that I have is going to be home or home gadgets. And this could be anything like home decor, like paintings and pictures that you can put on the wall, or even kitchen gadgets like a blender or something, or different home devices and gardening tools. Now, of course, there are other niches that you can get into when it comes to promoting different physical products with affiliate marketing, but those are just a few of the more popular ones that I've seen day to day, even just scrolling on my social media. But where exactly can we find these links for different physical products to promote? I don't know. You tell me, leave a comment below. Goodbye. Just kidding. I'm done. You could join popular affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, or ShareASale, or Commission Junction. There are so many options when it comes to choosing an affiliate network, but the ones that I just named are ones that I found to be more popular right now. And all of these platforms offer a wide variety of products across a whole lot of niches, so you won't have any trouble finding a product that you would want to promote. Or let's say you have a specific product in mind. Let's say you want to promote this mascara from your favorite makeup company, and you don't think Amazon carries this brand, so what are you supposed to do then? Well, lucky for you, some brands offer their own affiliate programs, so it could be a good idea to just think about what niche you're going with and then look up specific products even and see if specific brands have affiliate programs if you're interested in promoting one specific product. But when it comes to choosing an affiliate program, I want to note, I really want this to sink in. You need to keep commission rates in mind. And a commission rate is just going to be the percentage of the sale that you get. Now let's say you have picked out your physical product, whatever it may be, whether it be a lipstick or a t-shirt or a water bottle. We need to promote this product. We need to get it out into the world because we want people to buy it, right? So next I'm going to be talking about a few different platforms that you can use to help leverage your product. Now I want to note that all of these platforms can be done completely faceless, so don't get scared when I start talking about social media. We'll talk about how we can do that faceless. But the first idea to promote these different products could be starting your own blog. And you could start a blog that is focused on one specific niche and then choose different products within that niche to promote. You could create different guides on the products or different product reviews on whatever you are trying to sell. And in my opinion, this would especially be a good idea within the tech world and the tech niche, because it could give you an outlet to review different types of things, whether it be a phone or a computer or a new computer software. And within your blog, you're going to want to make sure to utilize different keywords so your blog gets out to the correct audience. The next idea that I have for you guys would be starting a YouTube channel. You could create engaging video content that revolves around whatever product you're trying to sell. But I want to note that you should stay within one niche. You want your channel to revolve around one niche because you want to grow an audience within that one specific niche. And for example, you could do unboxing videos from places such as Amazon and get affiliate links for the products that you are unboxing. And you could even do this completely faceless and just showing your hands, or for a more faceless approach, you could do technology reviews, or you could do top 10 videos of the top 10 best iPhones there are. So your whole channel could revolve around reviewing different products within one specific niche, or you could have your channel revolve around something completely different, which I would probably suggest. Which what I mean here is you could, for example, start a YouTube channel that revolves around the niche of health and fitness. And then you could create content that fits within that niche. And then over time, you can build up this audience that is interested within health and fitness and promote different products within this niche. So maybe let's say it's a new weightlifting set, and then you can put these affiliate links in the description of your videos. And creating a faceless YouTube channel is a great way to make money in itself. And when you add on affiliate marketing, you can start making money with YouTube before you actually get monetized by YouTube itself, which is a really smart way to be making money online. And also make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video because I have a super helpful video that could help you get started with your YouTube journey. So if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, make sure to stay till the end or just check the description. Now my next idea to promote these different affiliate products is going to be with a social media account. Now this could be anything like an Instagram or a Twitter or a Facebook or TikTok. And also I learned that not too long ago you can pursue affiliate marketing with the help of Pinterest, which in my opinion is a game changer. And if you guys know me, Pinterest is an app that I love. And I say this because Pinterest is a platform where a lot of people are saving different ideas and different pins to different boards. If you're not familiar with Pinterest, you create different boards and then you can save different pins to these boards. So for example, you could have a fashion board or you could have a makeup board. And within Pinterest, a lot of people are saving different fashion ideas. So with this being said, it wouldn't be a dumb idea to promote different fashion products. Now, again, no matter the platform that you are choosing to promote different products on, you always want to make sure to use specific keywords when you are posting on social media, because this will make sure that your content is going out to the correct audience. Now, what I mean by keywords is, let's say you're posting on Instagram. Make sure to add different tags that relate to the niche of whatever you're posting. And speaking of Instagram, you could create an Instagram theme page as well, and this would be a great faceless option. And an Instagram theme page just revolves on creating visually appealing content within that specific niche that you're going for. And again, you would just start by selecting different affiliate products that you think will fit the needs and the interests of your audience within Instagram. And here you can use different high quality photos and videos, maybe even showcasing the products that you want people to purchase. But you also want to make sure that these products are blending into the theme of your account and it's not looking like you're just money hungry here. And with that being said, the posts that you are making don't necessarily even have to be just the product that you are promoting. You could make a post with 2 different pictures, which is what I see a lot of the time within affiliate marketing, specifically in Instagram. And this is where an account will post a picture of something that relates to the niche of their account, and then if you swipe right on that picture, there will be a different picture with the affiliate product. For example, let's say somebody has an Instagram account that revolves around the singer-songwriter Bob Dylan. And this is in fact a real example because I follow a lot of these accounts. I love Bob Dylan. But this account would start out by posting a picture of Bob Dylan because they know their audience likes this topic. And then on the next picture, they would put their affiliate product. So this could be maybe a t-shirt with Bob Dylan's face on it. And then when it comes to growing an Instagram theme page, it is also very important to post on different aspects of your Instagram account, meaning you want to be posting on your stories and on your reels and on just your feed. And then there's even a feature where you can put little links within your Instagram stories, so make sure to utilize that if you are posting about your affiliate product. And additionally, with all of these platforms that I've talked about, it is very important to maintain transparency. And what I mean here is just disclosing that you are promoting an affiliate product and you are earning a commission. And I know platforms such as TikTok will automatically say this on your videos if you are promoting somebody else's product and getting a commission from it. But it's always important to just be honest and show people the intentions on why you're posting this product. Now, promoting different affiliate products can have its pros and cons. On the positive side, physical products might have a broader appeal, meaning a lot of people will want to buy a t-shirt that they see or buy a lipstick that they see. And I don't know why I always say lipstick or lip gloss when I give these examples. Now, on the downside here, these physical products are going to typically have a lower commission rate rather than a digital product. Remember how I said earlier in the video, we are going to have to take one of 2 paths. Now, the first path was going to be physical products, and now we're going to be going down the second path, and that is going to be by promoting different digital products. And now I want to get into the smartest way that you can be making money with affiliate marketing, and that is going to be by promoting different high-ticket digital products. Now, digital products are going to be like the Gucci or the Prada of the affiliate marketing game. And this just means they are going to be the real money game changer when it comes to affiliate marketing. And I'm not saying that you can't make money promoting different physical products, but you are just going to be making less money. So with these physical products, there is going to be this lower commission rate, and this is going to be typically around 1 to 10% of what the product you are promoting costs. For example, Amazon Associates will offer this 1 to 10% commission depending on the product category. Now, electronics usually will have this lower rate, but fashion products will typically have a higher rate when it comes to physical products. And there is a reason why this happens. These lower commission rates are due to the higher production and the shipping and the handling costs. Now, digital products, on the other hand, such as different softwares or ebooks or digital courses, they are going to have these higher commissions, which are typically going to be around 20 to 50% of the product price, or it can go even higher. And many online course platforms are going to be offering a commission rate of around 30 to 50%. For example, ClickBank will offer commission rates that go all the way up to 75%, which sounds a whole lot better than a whopping 1%. And the reason that this happens is because these digital products are going to have a lower production and distribution cost. And this just allows for these companies to offer a higher commission for their customers. Now, this just sounds like a dream come true, so let's talk about some places that we can get these digital affiliate product links. And the first place is going to be ClickBank, like I mentioned before. They have different online courses, ebooks, and softwares. And then another very popular one is going to be Digistore24. And then again, they have anything like online courses or different online workout plans or different ebooks. And lastly, another very popular option is going to be Shopify. Now, with any of these platforms or other platforms that you can find, you are going to find a lot of different digital products that you can promote. However, I would highly encourage you to pick a product that is classified as a high-ticket product, which in fun terms, this just means picking a money-making machine link. And that is made possible specifically with promoting different online courses. And digital courses are usually going to be priced higher rather than something like an ebook. And with these high commission rates, you are going to be making more money per sale rather than if you choose a smaller product. For example, my brother has a course called Tube Mastery and Monetization. And within his course, in summary, he teaches people how to make money with YouTube and just overall how to grow a YouTube channel. And with all of this work that he has put into this course, it just makes sense that these digital courses go for a lot more money rather than something smaller. But as an affiliate, you can promote this product and get a 50% commission, which is amazing compared to promoting a smaller product that costs less and getting only a 1% commission. And just like physical products, promoting these different digital products is going to look about the same. Meaning you can just promote them through different social media platforms like we talked about before, or different things like blogs, or you could even look into paid advertisements, which is an option if you have the budget to play around with. So we talked about the smartest ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing, and arguably the smartest way is going to be with these high-ticket digital products. And affiliate marketing is such a smart way that you can be making money online due to the minimal effort that you are putting in. But you still are receiving the great rewards when it comes to money. And one of the best ways that you can be promoting these affiliate links is through a YouTube channel. So if you want to learn how to grow a YouTube channel, make sure to click on this video right here. It is my brother's video and it is basically a free course. You won't want to miss it, so make sure to check it out.